Dear students, we are handling the topic integration. Integration topic. In this integration topic, we have completed successfully exercise 6b. Before going to define and discuss the exercise 6c concept, let us discuss about the new topic. The topic name is integration by parts. Integration by parts. By meaning two. We know that derivative of two functions is uv dash. Derivative of uv whole dash, we know that uv dash plus du dash. Here now we are going to learn about the integration by parts, meaning integration of two functions, not single function. Until yesterday we have discussed about only single function integration and substitution also. Now today new topic is integration by parts, that is learning two functions integration. This is the formula uv integration, not this formula. This is not correct. In integration separate formula is there. Hereafter you should not forget the formula. U integral v dx, u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. This is the formula. Plenty of times I used to write, and you should also write while class is going on and sums are going on. There is no proof. Simply integral u dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral u dash dx integral v dx whole dx. Okay, let us discuss one example. First log x integration. Just wait. That too, the formula is there. According to formula, as per I late. You should remember this one as I late. I meaning here inverse trigonometric functions. I meaning inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric function. L meaning logarithmic function. L meaning logarithmic function, and A meaning algebraic. A meaning algebraic function and T meaning trigonometric function. And E meaning exponential function. Inverse trigonometric, logarithmic, trigonometric, algebraic. Logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential. So, what is the meaning of this? If two letters are there, example x is a function and log x is another function. X is algebraic function and log x is logarithmic function. So, first of all, you should take log x as u. Generally, the formula uv, but you should consider this is u, this is v. So, first of all, you should write log x into x dx by x. Log x, according to you, this integration should be taken outside. Just let us see the example. See the formula log x into, the formula is said here logarithmic next to algebraic. Like this example, x sin inverse x is there. Students, observe this one. X sin inverse x is there. First I meaning inverse triangle. First sin inverse x can be considered as u. X has been like this. Next, x into e power x. X is algebraic. First algebraic should consider. Next exponential. So first meaning u, next meaning v. Next one tan log x. First inverse trigonometry, later log x, like this. Next, e power x into log x. Exponential is last, always log x. Like that. Now, let us see the example. Okay, x log x only will do. Example, x log x. Find integration of x log x. X log x dx. This is first sum. So I am writing in detailed manner, integrating by parts. Integration by parts. By parts meaning here according to, that I am writing as per I rate. As per I rate. Here first one, according to I rate, x is algebraic and logarithmic is log function. So u is equal to log x and v is equal to x. Again I am writing the formula, even though I wrote here only, because you should equilibrate, you should know very well regarding the formula. What is the formula of integral u dx? Today only you should buy out the formula. U integral v dx minus integral u dash. Dash meaning derivative. Integral v dx whole dx. That is equal to, apply the formula here. That is equal to, first of all you write log x. Log x into this is x minus integral log x whole dash integral x dx whole dx. That is equal to log x into x integration x square by 2. At last you can put plus c minus, what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. 1 by x into integration of here x square by 2. So 1 dx eliminated. Now this dx should be there. This x will be getting cancelled x times. That is equal to x square by 2 into log x minus 1 by 2 integral x dx. So that is equal to x square by 2 into log x square by 2 into log x minus x square by 4 plus c. X square by 4, how did you get understood? X 1 by 2 into x square by 2 is the integration of x. One thing, sir, we forgot the rule. So what will happen? You are thinking the rule. So without using the rule directly, if you take u as x and v as log x, so what will happen? Okay, let us see. U is equal to x, v is equal to log x. Don't write this one. Simply I am discussing. V is equal to log x. U integral, use the formula u integral v dx minus x. U is equal to x. Integral log x dx minus this is x over there. Integral log x dx whole dx. So that is equal to x into, what is the integration of log x? Until today we did not learn integration of log x. Don't say 1 by x. It is derivative. There is no integration of log x until today. We are going to discuss today only x log x minus x. I will say the proof. Minus x derivative 1 into x log x minus x dx. That is equal to x square into log x minus x square minus integral, this is x log x minus x minus of minus x integration x square by 2 plus c. So again x log x, again by parts. Again by parts, again by parts, again by parts. You cannot find. You cannot find until for tomorrow also you cannot do such things. That is why the rule invented. Sir, why the rule invented, sir? Same to get this one. One function derivative used to get cancelled with other function. Sir, if such cases are possible, okay, I'll say proof later. Let I is equal to something and I will be changing values. Later we can discuss. Don't write this one. So everyone has to remember the integration by parts. Integral u dx equal to u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx, and the formula is as per I did. Students, today I am discussing total 8 sums as a formula. You should remember until advanced exam. Okay? Each and every is like formula you should remember. First one I am writing x e power x dx. Most important. I mean not for IB. This is concept. Plenty of times I used to write this one as direct step. Integral x e power x. Integration by parts. Integration by parts. What is u? That too I am writing as per I did. Integrating by parts as per I did. X is algebraic, e power x is exponential. So which one we should write? First of all, u is equal to, I am writing the formula once again. Integral u v dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. Whole dx. This is the formula. Now what is u? Can you say what is u and what is v? U is equal to x, v is equal to e power x. E power x, a power x terms are always later only because exponential term is last preferable. Now apply here u meaning here x integral e power x dx minus x whole dash integral e power x dx, put a bracket like this, whole dx. That is equal to x into, what is the integration of e power x? E power x only, x into e power x minus this is x derivative 1 into this integration e power x dx. That is equal to x e power x minus 1 into e power x meaning e power x dx. That is equal to x e power x minus e power x plus c. Therefore, integral x e power x dx, you write as the formula e power x into x minus 1 plus c. And today you put your sign and date 29/10/2020. This is most important. In our trigonometry first year, sin 2a plus sin 2 plus sin 2c is equal to, you got 4 sin a sin b sin c. Plenty of times we proved that one. Maybe put date and sign there. Now such important this one. This is most likely x e power x equal to e power x into x minus 1 plus c. In the similar way, next formula is also there. This is also most important. Log x dx. Integral log x dx. Integral log x dx. Students, write this one as log x into 1 dx. Log x into 1 dx. 1 you can understand it is x power 0. Of course, don't write x power 0. 1 is algebraic function, log x is logarithmic function. Integration by parts. Integration by parts. According to formula, integral u v dx is equal to u integral v dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. As per I did, that you should write. As per I did, what is u here? U is equal to log x and b is equal to 1. U is equal to log x and b is equal to 1. Now log x integral 1 dx minus integration of log x whole dx derivative integral 1 dx whole dx, that is equal to log x into 1 integration x minus log x derivative 1 by x into 1 integration x dx. This x get cancelled, that is equal to x log x minus integral 1 dx. Therefore you write this one as a formula: integral log x dx is equal to x log x minus x plus c, or x into log x minus 1 plus c. This is also very useful. Remember as a formula: integral log x is equal to x log x minus x plus c. Plenty of times I used to ask, what is the integration of log x? If I ask, you don't say 1 by x, x log x minus x. You should remember. You should not forget this one and this one. Because differential equation chapter is there. Plenty of times we used to get this formula, right? Differential equation chapter. Now, third one, this is the formula. Formula I am saying as a proof: integral e power x f of x plus f dash x. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x. Anything f of x into any function, that function derivative. What will happen? Let us multiply like this: e power x into f of x dx plus integral e power x into f dash x dx. Since derivative is there, for this one you apply by parts. Apply by parts. Simply leave it like this: integral e power x f of x dx plus, now as per Eilert meaning always exponential last only. F dash x is any function. Okay, no problem. At last you write e power x. Like this you write f dash x integral e power x dx. F dash x minus integral, students, e power x, wait. This is only e power x, because f dash x derivative will be right like this: integral e power x into f dash x. F dash x derivative becomes only f of x minus e power x whole dash into integral f dash x dx whole dx. F dash x dx whole dx, that is equal to integral e power x f of x dx plus e power x into, what is the derivative of f dash x meaning f of x? Derivative integration meaning is antiderivative. Derivative integration will be getting cancelled, minus this e power x derivative e power x and f dash x derivative integration f of x. Now e power x f of x cancel plus h. Therefore remember as a formula: e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx. E power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. This is also a IMP formula. Remember as a formula. Let us see the example here. Integral e power x into tan x plus secant square x. Can you see the formula? The value here: e power x into tan x plus secant square. Students, f of x. This is f dash x. So e power x into f of x plus f dash x formula: e power x f of x. Directly you can write e power x into tan x. There is no need to prove like this. Use the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash, that is equal to e power x into f of x, e power x into 10x. Now can you say e power x into log x plus 1 by x dx? E power x log x. E power x log x plus c. Next, this is the example 2. Now I am asking to you that e power x log x plus 1 by x square. Say e power x into log x plus 1 by x square. So until here it is easy, just somewhat difficult. Now what is somewhat difficult? E power x log x, e power x log x minus plus 1 by x plus 1 by x dx. What happened? 1 by x added and subtracted. What is the this is f of x, understood? What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. What is the derivative of minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square? Because 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x derivative is 1 by x. So this is f dash. Use the formula e power x into f of x plus f dash. That is equal to e power x into, now you can write log x minus 1 by x plus now three formulas we discussed. Fourth, these are simple examples, depends upon this. Integral x into f of x plus f dash x is equal dx is equal to x f of x plus c. Let us discuss. X into f of x dx plus integral x into f dash x dx. For this one leave it. For this one you write by parts. That is equal to x integral f of x dx plus by parts as per I rate. X taken outside, you write integral f dash x because integration and derivative will be getting cancelled. X integral f dash x dx minus integral like this x whole dash integral f dash x dx whole dx. That is equal to integral x f of x dx plus x into this is f of x minus x derivative 1 and this is simply f of x dx. So that is equal to x f of x dx integral x f of x dx plus x into f of x minus integral f of x. What is happening here? X f of x f of x should be there. Maybe x into f of x dx, x into f of x plus x f dash x. It's okay. Simple f of x should be getting cancelled. Should not have same way. Huh? Here x derivative 1 integration of x variable f of x, it's okay by parts. X taken outside, f dash x f of x also should be there. Mistake is not there. In our this is objective, this is not objective. Once you see in IB textbook, that formula is there. I think this is not there. IB. Did you bring object material? X into f of x plus f dash x. X into f of x dx plus x f of x dx. A square I made it's okay minus integral x f dash x derivative 1 girl, where did you find nothing? Okay. X into I forgot x into f of x plus f dash right on x f of x used to this one. This should be get cancelled. X f of x, so x f of x should be x into f of x plus f dash. I told you x into f of x into f of x dx plus integral. So x taken outside. Integral f dash x dx x f of x dx plus this is x into f of x minus x derivative 1 right and f dash x derivative. Students, we can do one thing. Let us derivative u dash plus v dash x into f dash plus f of x into 1. So somewhere mistake. Question is wrong. F of x plus x f dash. I'm not sure. F of x plus x f dash. Question is wrong. F of x simply like this. F of x plus x f dash x dx. F of x plus x f dash x dx is equal to x f of x plus f of x plus x f dash x dx is equal to x f of x plus. Simply leave it. Integral f of x plus by parts. X taken outside, integral f dash x dx minus integral x derivative into integral f dash x dx whole dx. That is equal to integral f of x dx plus x into this is f of x minus integral x derivative 1, this is f of x directly plus minus get cancelled. So it is the formula x f of x plus. This one also remember as a formula integral f of x plus x f dash f of x plus x f dash x dx is equal to x f of x plus. This is for objective. This is not IP formula. This is objective formula. In level 1 homework, such models are solved. One example: secant x plus x into secant x tan x whole dx. Can you say x secant x? I think same question is there in objective level 1 homework. F of x plus x into f dash x concept. Four sums completed. Conceptual discussion. Now fifth question onwards. For each and every trigonometric inverse function and finding the by parts, you should remember as a formula for everything. Level 3 also is there. Same question, same concept. In level 3 definite integration, pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 log 2 answer is there. Pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 2 answer is also there. You should remember as a formula this one because it is so lengthy sum. But using direct steps you can do so many sums regarding inverse trigonometric functions. Now, fifth question. Evaluate sin inverse x. Today onwards each and every inverse trigonometric function you remember as a formula. Integral sin inverse x dx. Write like this. Integral sin inverse x into 1 dx. Integral sin inverse x into 1 dx. U is equal to by parts as per I length. By parts as per I length. U is equal to sin inverse x. Gamma b is equal to 1. Write the formula integral u dx is equal to u integral d dx minus integral u dash integral d dx whole dx. That implies u meaning here sin inverse x into integral 1 dx minus u dash. So sin inverse x whole dash into integral 1 dx whole dx. That is equal to sin inverse x into x 1 integration x minus sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square into 1 integration x dx. That is equal to write like this. X sin inverse x minus right here plus 1 by 2 integral minus 2x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Understood why I did right here? F dash x by root f of x concept. F dash x by root f of x dx formula is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. F dash x by root f of x formula 2 root f of x. Student, only the x is there minus because 1 minus x square derivative minus 2x. 2x is not there, that is why simply created. Sir, why do you create, sir? Let us think t, sir. Okay, you can think. 3 more steps will be increasing. Understood? Root 1 minus x square equal to t derivative and t function. So and again later I should convert the t function into x function. No need hereafter. That is equal to x sin inverse integral. Like formula I am writing integral sin inverse x dx is equal to x sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into 2 root. So 2 get cancelled. Directly you write 1 minus x square plus 3. Understood? 1 by 2 into 2 root 1 minus x square, 2 get cancelled. Sixth one. Evaluate integral cos inverse x. Evaluate integral cos inverse x. This can be written as cos inverse x into 1 dx. Cos inverse x into 1 dx. By parts as per I weight. By parts as per I weight. So inverse function is first cos inverse x integral 1 dx, cos inverse x integral 1 dx minus cos inverse x whole dash integral 1 dx whole dx. That is equal to 1 integration x into cos inverse x minus, did you remember the formula of cos inverse x derivative minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into x dx. That is equal to x cos inverse x minus, right, like this, minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Here only formula we discussed just now, integral f dash x by root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c. That is equal to, you can write here, x cos inverse minus 1 by 2 into 2 root of 1 minus x square plus c into get cancelled. Therefore, integral cos inverse x dx is equal to x cos inverse x minus root of 1 minus x square plus c. While going to discuss in objective topics, I used to say direct formula. Direct formula is integral cos inverse x cos inverse x minus root 1 minus x square, like that. You should not get confused. That is why you remember as a formula. Otherwise, direct steps. Now, tan inverse x. Integral tan inverse x. It is also most easy. Seventh one. Integral tan inverse x dx. This can be written as integral tan inverse x into 1 dx. Integral tan inverse x into 1 dx. By parts as per Eilert. By parts as per Eilert. Integral u dx formula, u integral v dx. So tan inverse x integral 1 dx minus of here tan inverse x derivative integral 1 dx whole dx. That is equal to 1 integration x into tan inverse x minus the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 integration x dx. That is equal to x tan inverse x minus, right, like this, minus 1 by 2 integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. That is equal to x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 logarithm of 1 plus x square plus c. Why? Because I used the formula f dash x by f of x dx. Integral f dash x by f of x dx equal to log mod f of x plus c. So remember as a formula, integral tan inverse x. Integral tan inverse x dx is equal to x tan plus x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square. Eighth one, integral cot inverse x dx. Integral cot inverse x into 1 dx by parts as per Eilert. By parts as per Eilert. So that is equal to cot inverse x into integral 1 dx minus cot inverse x whole dash integral 1 dx whole dx. That is equal to x cot inverse x. X cot inverse x minus cot inverse x derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x. Minus 1 by 1 plus x square into here x dx. That is equal to x cot inverse x minus 1 by 2 integral minus. So minus of minus becomes plus here. Plus 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Using the formula f dash x by f of x integration log mod f of x. integral cot inverse x dx is equal to x cot inverse x. X cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 logarithm of 1 plus x square plus c. Now integral cosecant inverse x. Integral cosecant inverse x into 1. Integral cosecant inverse x into 1 dx by parts. By parts as per I rate. Cosecant inverse x integral 1 dx minus cosecant inverse x whole dash integral 1 dx whole dx. That is equal to x into cosecant inverse x minus 1 by modulus of x into root of x square minus 1 into. Am I right? Cosecant inverse x derivative minus 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. Secant inverse 1 by mod x into root of x square minus 1. Here x and this one get cancelled. So that is equal to x cosecant inverse x plus 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. That is equal to x cosecant inverse x plus cos h inverse of x plus. Yeah, correct. Cos h inverse of x plus. Next one, 9th question. 10th one. Integral secant inverse x dx. Secant inverse x into 1 dx. Same concept by parts. That is equal to secant inverse x integral 1 dx minus integral secant inverse x whole dash integral 1 dx whole dx. That is equal to x secant inverse x into secant inverse x minus this derivative 1 by modulus of x into root of x square minus 1 into x dx, x get cancelled. That is equal to x secant inverse x minus cos h inverse x plus 1. Or log mod x secant inverse x minus log modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus 1. These are all rememberable formula. You should not forget the, and you should remember as a formula. Now example 1 2. Let us discuss example 1 to page number 214. Page number 214, example 1 and 2. Page 214. Evaluate the integral x sin inverse x dx. Evaluate integral x sin inverse x dx. By parts as per I rate. By parts as per I rate. Write the formula integral u dx equal to u integral dx minus integral u dash integral v dx whole dx. So sin inverse x is u here. Sin inverse x integral x dx minus integral sin inverse x whole dash integral x dx whole dx. That is equal to x integration x square by 2 x square by 2 into sin inverse x minus derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square into here x square by 2 dx. That is equal to x square by 2 into sin inverse x minus plus you write and next step minus x square you write. Minus 1 by 2 taken outside plus of minus x square by 2 by root of 1 minus x square dx. That is equal to x square by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 integral add and subtract with 1 minus x square minus 1 by like this minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. X square by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into separately like this 1 minus x square by root 1 minus x square dx minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. That is equal to x square by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into root 1 minus x square will be divided in general term root 1 minus x square times minus 1 by 2 into this is the sin inverse x. That is equal to, students, now you should remember the formula integral root of a square minus x square. Did you remember? Integral root of a square minus x square, seventh formula in 9 standard integrations. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by 2. Why did you ask sir for this one? Root a square minus x square. That is equal to x square by 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into the concept here x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2. So 1 by 2 into sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 into sin inverse x plus c. That is equal to x square by 2 sin inverse x plus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 sin inverse x plus c. Now 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 becomes minus 1 by 4. So x square by 2 into sin inverse x plus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus c. At last you can take common the inverse section x by 4 also 2x square minus 1 also you can write. X square minus he given yes, he given 1 by 4 taken common sin inverse x minus x 1 by 4 taken common given option. X square cos x is x square cos x and x square 2 times. Okay. Evaluate integral x square cos x dx. X square cos x by parts as per I rate. Students, which one we should calculate? First, I rate is logarithmic, or it will be trigonometric, or it will be next to trigonometric. So integral x square into cos x dx minus x square whole dash integral cos x dx whole dx, that is equal to x square into cos x integration sin x minus this is 2x into cos x integration sin x dx, that is equal to x square into sin x into minus 2 into again by parts. Here again by parts. X integration sin x dx minus integral x whole dash integral sin x dx whole dx whole bracket, that is equal to x square into sin x minus 2 into x into sin x integration minus cos x minus this is 1 now sin x integration minus cos x minus of minus becomes cos x dx, that is equal to x square into sin x minus 2 into minus x cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. That is equal to x square into sin x minus of minus plus 2x into cos x minus 2 sin x plus c, that is equal to, you can write x square minus 2 sin x taken common plus 2x into cos x plus c, 2x into cos x plus c. Okay students, you have completed some examples and integration by parts concept today. Tomorrow you can discuss 7 mark sums and exercise 6b.